Hello everyone. Welcome back to the 2-minute video series on FAQ apps. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Zoho ecosystem and how the FAQ app is able to create a contact within the Zoho CRM once it is not able to understand a particular query, and also capture the chat transcript as part of the ticket. In the last videos, we have taken a look at how to create an Excel file where you can store all the FAQ data. Now, using that FAQ file, we have seen in the second video how to create a knowledge base within the Bot Studio platform. And the third video, we have taken a look at how to use that knowledge base within a conversation so that we can have and build an FAQ chatbot altogether. Then we have taken a look at how we can deploy this particular FAQ and test it on the live environment. Also, how you can use the widget code to deploy it on your own website. So this is the deployment that we had. This is where I have just clicked on the client chat widget link. This will give you a link where you can actually test your bot in the live condition. As you know, we have trained the bot for travel industry FAQs. I'm going to give some example in food industry, saying that I want pizza. Now bot is not going to able to understand this particular query. In the configuration, what we have done is we have set the retry count as 2. So the bot is going to try to understand the customer query for 2 times. If it's not able to understand, it's going to take a look at if there are any live agents available in the live chat software. As there are no live chats agent available, it's going to provide a message saying that okay, I'll be capturing some information so that I can arrange a call back. And now it's asking me for my details. I'm just going to provide my name. I'm going to provide my business email address. Then it's going to collect my phone number. I'm just going to put a dummy one. Now what it's going to do in the backend is it's going to create and contact into the Zoho CRM. It's going to create an activity within the Zoho CRM and associate the contact and the activity with each other. Now it's asking me if you want something else. I'm just going to say no and close the chat widget. Now I'm going into the Zoho CRM, so you can see crm.zoho.com. This is the Zoho CRM UI. I'm at the contact tab. I'm just going to refresh this particular page. Now you can see that there's a contact that is created, which is Ninad, and Ninad that amplify reaches the email. So if I just click on this particular contact, you will be able to see the email address, the mobile number that I provided, the email address out here. So all the contact information is available. Similarly, if I just scroll down, you will see that there is an open activity that is associated, which is basically status as waiting for input. Now if I open this particular activity, we have also captured details of the entire chat transcript that has gone between the customer and the chatbot. So you'll be able to see what was the question that the visitor had, and due to which the bot was not able to process this particular request. So the agents that are sitting on your Zoho CRM can actually track this particular ticket, because this ticket has been marked as waiting for input, and there is a subsequent contact also created with all the details so that you can follow up with that particular customer. If you like this particular video series, do subscribe to our channel, and similarly we'll be also taking a look at, we also have videos for Freshdesk as well as Zendesk available if you are interested in those ecosystem. Thank you very much.